Are you ready?
In the heart of the concrete jungle, the dreams take flight. New York City comes alive under the neon light. The streets are bustling with energy and pace, as the city awakens in its vibrant embrace. New York at night, a dazzling sight, a symphony of colors, a mesmerizing, rising light. The skyline shimmers like a million stars as the city dances under the moon's soft bars. From Broadway stages to the jazz club sway, the city's rhythm pulsates with a vibrant display. Yellow cabs honking, people rushing by. New York at night, it never says goodbye. New York at night, it never says goodbye. New York at night, never says goodbye. New York at night, never says goodbye. New York at night, where anything seems. In the heart of the concrete jungle, the dreams take flight. New York City comes alive under the neon light. The streets are bustling with energy and pace, as the city awakens in its vibrant embrace.
Welcome to the very snazzy Yotel, Times Square, New York. We've literally just come off a plane. It got delayed because there was lightning on the ground, so they couldn't handle all the planes, so we finally made it. So this is only a quick one because we've got a bed there and use, so let me move that, maybe watch this. You use the button to move the bed, like so. It's a little bit slow moving, but and then you just use the button again to make it into a little like so. When we got the TV there, there's a little bottle opener with cheers on it. You can use this button to control the mood lighting in the room. So we've gone to a nice blue colour, as you can see. We got the sink area with outlets there. We have Urban Jungle products, just like the Yotel in Manchester. We have an ironing board, safe hairdryer, more bog roll. This is the bathroom area. It's only a small bathroom area, but it will do us. And this is the shower. Right, we'll quickly do a bed test and we'll leave you there for the night, guys. This is the Yotel in Times Square, New York.